We push on across the Danakil desert to Dodom, a shifting nomadic camp, where we will have to once again negotiate permission and procure camels.
We're just busy with some more negotiations, just with the next regional chief to get up to the volcano, and for camel handlers, camels, more guys, we've got to take more guys, more guns, take more guns, and just having lunch.
We got the gun, we can go now.
We thought Berahili was bad, then we thought Thomas Ella, we couldn't get worse. No, we just don't care anymore.
Now we are stuck here. Deep trench stopping us going to Erta Ale.
So we finally made it up to Erta Ale. We arrived quite late in the evening at the foot of the mountain. The volcano last night, it was dark, and as you can see all the gases behind me, they were all illuminated from the volcano as we were walking up, so that would kind of motivate us to walk up quickly.
There was a massive landslide here, and couldn't see it very well because it was full of smoke and dust.
And that is the landslide.
There are places all around this crater on the edge of the rim that are cracked and any time can fall. It's actually terrifying to think one can fall down into molten lava with a landslide.
The thermovision camera shows that the temperature of the fountains is in the range of between 1130 and 1145 degrees centigrade. The crusted over surface is only 440 degrees. The lake also exhibits ever-changing patterns, like this beautiful firebird. In the morning, our campsite looks very basic. We are eagerly awaiting camels to bring more supplies and equipment. The caravan brought supplies of food, equipment, and the most importantly, water. In the Danakil, and especially here on the volcano, water means everything. The camels have also brought unexpected and unwelcome visitors, the Afar gunmen.
Where are you from?
South Africa.
You know what he say? Is there white people there?
The Afar have respect for the volcano and are afraid of its summit. They believe that their ancestors circle about it on flying horses. They demand permit on paper. It's of no interest to them that we paid their chief for permission to stay on the volcano. One of them enters into typical negotiations with our guide, while others position themselves around with their guns. They don't negotiate. They just keep watchful eyes on us. The Kalashnikovs ready for the action.
To pay another bribe to stay here a few more hours.
It is the last night to soak the experience. Sensational spectacle, hot winds from the bowels of the earth, sights, sounds and smells. The greatest show on earth, some of the rarest volcanic phenomena in the world, the primeval forces at work.